Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing more of a Chatty tutorial because I feel like I haven't done one in a while, and I just kind of want to sit down and talk to you guys and do some makeup on my face because it's been a very long time and I just need some relaxing, man. So I recently picked up this Colourpop Give It To Me Straight palette. I am in love. I think it is beautiful. You know me, I really want to go for the burgundies right off, but I'm going to try to keep this natural and nude because I feel like I haven't done one of those tutorials in a while, but just how pretty are these colors? I just love it so much. And I love the Colourpop formula for literally everything. Their lipsticks are amazing as well. So I'm really excited about this palette. I also picked up one of their Super Shock Shadow singles because I love this color. It's just so pretty, so I definitely used that in here. See if you can guess, or you can just keep on watching and see what I do. I'm not like 100% sure where I'm going with this look today, so I'm just gonna start with the basics and put this kind of neutral tan down right into my crease using this little Elizabeth Mott blending brush. And I do know I want to do a wing, so I'm going to kind of blend these together to create a little bit of a point on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with this more orangey color, Truth Hurts, on a little BH Cosmetics number 3 Pro Brush. And this is going literally right under where I just placed that lighter tan color. For my lid, I'm actually going to use this gorgeous single Colourpop Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter in the shade Set to Stun, and I'm applying this with the Luxie 223 Short Shader brush. So this is just going all over my lid, but I'm going to blend it out on the outer third of my eye with another color. To really emphasize the outer third of my eye, I'm going to take this gorgeous orangey color, BS, on a little MUA Crease Brush 315 and just blend it out. So I think I've decided I want to do kind of a smoked out wing, so I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade actually. I'm probably going to end up buffing it out with a little bit of TMI because I love this color. But I'm going to start with actually, and I'm using a Coastal Scents BRC S17 little angled brush to do this. So as you can probably tell, I did not buff it out with TMI like I said I would, which is probably a good thing because I feel like I've been doing way too many purple looks and you guys are probably sick of it. So I'm going to stick to the nude neutral look today, maybe pop some pink or purple in on my lips, but my eyes are going to stay neutral. That is the goal. So just to even out my lower lash line, because my upper lash line is pretty smoky, I'm going to buff a little bit of the shade Frank using the same small angled brush, and this is just going to get buffed into my lower lash line. So I am really feeling the way this looks, and it's almost making me not want to use any falsies because I feel like this is pretty natural. So I'm just going to start with mascara. This is the Buxom Mascara. I love it. I got it in my Sephora Playbox last month, so definitely check out that unboxing. No lashes is definitely the way to go, so I'm just going to skip on and do the rest of my face, and I'm going to bronze and blush with this Pacifica Coconut-Infused Blush Duo in the shades Beaming and Tenderheart. Taking a big fluffy e.l.f. face brush into the tanner color, I'm going to use this as my bronzer today. And this blush is super pigmented, so I'm just going to like barely touch it with my IT Cosmetics blush brush and just apples on my cheeks and back. For highlight, I'm going back into the Colourpop Give It To Me Straight palette, and I'm going to pop this color up front everywhere basically using a Real Techniques setting brush. So my camera cut out on me twice because it hates me, but for my brows I use the Benefit Gimmie Brow in shade 03, my tried and true favorite brow product. I cannot tell you how much this has saved my brows. I love it. And then for my lips, I use this gorgeous Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Toasted Cardamom, and I actually got sent like 8 of these. So if you guys want to see like a lip swatch video of the new Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipsticks that I got, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know, because I'm feeling filming one because I really like the shades they sent me. So this is the final finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like the chattier tutorials more, or if you just want me to shut up and tell you exactly what I'm doing, because I can do either. Whatever you like better, just let me know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. Check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.